Hi everyone, it's Rebecca here from In Line with Essential Oils, and I think there's been a few videos that have not been uploaded very well, so bear with me while I fix those. I always tell you my technical problems first for some reason because I just want to let you guys know this is not my really strong point. My strong point is loving the oils and doing all of the research around the actual oils. I want to share with you a box opening. As you know, I order every single month, and I think my last orders didn't upload with sound because I had again sound issues. So I've reverted back to going back from my computer to my phone. So here we are. So they've got this really cool security tape on the, it's eco-friendly but obviously secure tape to stop people from breaking into packages, which I think is a really good idea actually from what I hear people doing. But I guess if people are going to try and open your package, they're more than likely just going to try and take the whole package, right? So this is a very small order this month actually, interestingly, and I think it's just because there was a few things that I needed, but I have a lot of points that I need to use, so I'm going to probably, I think that's the reason why I made a smaller monthly order so I can use my points up. So that's the reason why. And this is exciting because I actually, you know me, I'm always happy about the packaging being eco-friendly and compostable, and you can even recycle it for if you send out your own packages. And I just got some all-time faves this month because I was getting close to running out of some of them and I didn't want to run out. So actually today I used the last part of my my Thieves mouthwash, so that's good timing because I used the last one today. So yay for Thieves mouthwash. And I need my glasses. I don't know where I'll put my glasses. With my book, no doubt, which is not in my office. Oh my goodness. Oh no, my book is, I'm sitting my oils on my book, so they must be around here somewhere. I don't know where I've left my glasses today, guys, so I'll just have to grab my glasses out of my handbag. Got my really cute lavender glasses holder, and these are needing a little clean. So yes, I've got my Thieves essential oil mouthwash, which I love, as you guys know if you watch my videos regularly. It is a key one of the things that I order every single month because I've had ongoing dental issues, so I really love this. I'll read it to you actually. Long lasting breath freshener, the ultimate in oral hygiene. Thieves Fresh Essence Plus mouthwash is powered by Thieves Essential Oil Blend for incredibly clean teeth and gums. Combined with naturally derived ingredients, Young Living's mouthwash is safe and effective without the use of alcohol, synthetic dyes, or artificial flavors. So it says here, rinse mouth with 1 tablespoon or cupful of fresh essence plus for 30 to 60 seconds as needed. And I generally do it morning and night when I'm feeling like I'm not 100%. But most days I'll just do one in the morning, like almost like an oil pull, because I haven't done oil pulling for so long now. But I love this because of the ingredients. So let me read the ingredients. It says water, colloidal silver, peppermint, lecithin, Quelagia saponara wood extract. I can never say that correctly. Potassium sorbate, stevia, leaf extract, clove essential oil, spearmint essential oil, lemon essential oil, cinnamon bark essential oil, vetiver essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, rosemary essential oil, tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and citric acid. What an amazing bunch of ingredients in there they are. Okay, so moving on. I was getting very close to running out of my dye dries, so I ordered a new dye dries. And that's like a a big thing for me. Almost every single night I go through it very quickly, so I need to order it often. And sometimes when I'm not feeling 100%, which I think I may have shared with you guys before, and I was going to do you another video on the oils that I use when I'm not well, to help support me through, but I haven't had a chance to do that either yet, because we all the people of my circle, my friendship circle, celebrated my birthday 2 days ago. So I've been having some time with my friends, which has been amazing. Okay, and so the next oil I've ordered, which I haven't had for ages again, and I know this is a really good one to have handy when stress is high. This is pine. You'll be surprised at how beneficial pine is. Just to put a few drops down the back of your neck and just like let it, like even after a shower in the morning. I've jumped in the pool this morning, which is why my hair is wet. I've done a cold pool plunge. And so yeah, so when I came back in, I had my Young Living order, which I'm super stoked to have. So pine is a good one to have after a shower or before bed even, or even on the feet. Just a few drops, let it dribble down the back, or even if you can massage or get someone else to massage it in for you. It's a really beautiful oil. Lemon. Oh, I miss my lemon. I haven't had my lemon for ages, and I didn't even realize. I think I was just really using my orange a lot. I love orange. Orange essential oil is like one of my all-time faves. But lemon, I was like, oh yeah, I really do. I've been having a really cool drink lately, which has been a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and like a little dash, not teaspoon, that's too much, of cayenne pepper. So I've been doing that in a shot. So it's a very small drink. And then also I've been putting a knob of ginger and a whole orange into my Vitamix blender and just topping it, the water, my reverse osmosis water, up over the top of the orange and the ginger, and just blending that and drinking that as well. So they've been my go-to 2 drinks. Plus I've been having an anti-parasitic tincture, which is called Triplex. And Young Living does have a really good, if you're anywhere but Australia, because I don't stock it in Australia, and you can order it from Australia, from the US, but the US exchange and the shipping is crazy, so it's not worth it for me. I just find other avenues. But they do have a great product called Para-Free. So if you're in another part of the world, and I have had it before, I've actually had other people in my team order it for me when they do their US order, and I just pay them for, in Australian dollars, the portion that they've asked me to pay, which obviously is either product and part shipping. It saves me having to do it on my own. It's too expensive to do on my own. So I think that if you're in the US, absolutely check out Para-Free. If you are in other parts of the world, different products I think are made available to different countries, and other than that you have to do not for resale orders. So yeah, that's one of my things. So lemon is a really good one to have, and I really love having lemon, and I've kind of missed it a little bit even though I've been drinking the lemon juice. And the last oil that I've ordered this month is Thieves, because I went hard on using that in foot soaks. I put it in baths, in showers, in diffusers, on my feet, just every opportunity to have Thieves around. I was Thieves crazy. I was really just like applying it like nobody's business everywhere. So that's my order for this month. My mouthwash, Thieves essential oil, lemon essential oil, pine essential oil, and Jai's essential oil blend. So there, my order is super easy, and one like a lot of the more common oils like Thieves, lemon, and Jai's. Pine isn't so common, but once you get to know your oils, you'll know why pine is such a great oil to have handy. And in my next order, I'll be really excited to share with you my big Essential Rewards points, loyalty points, because I order every month. I've been saving up my points to make a nice big order. I've been trying to save them up so I can buy the likes of frankincense, which, you know, frankincense is quite an exy oil, as you might know, but definitely worth it. This is my latest frankincense, which is empty, and I just have to enjoy the aroma out of the bottle now. And also the other one, I'm not quite sure if I can actually order it on my Essential Rewards points, is Sacred Sandalwood. So I still have a little dash, maybe 1 or 2 drops, actually maybe not unless it's slow moving, in my Sacred Sandalwood, which again I just inhale out of the bottle. It's been so good. And there are a few other oils which I'd like to get. Cypress is really good with pine, so I want to order cypress as well. Cypress, frankincense, and Sacred Sandalwood are my 3 oils that I probably get in my next Essential Rewards order. And also Savvy Minerals is having a massive sale right now because they're closing that collection off. So if you're a lover of any kind of mineral makeup and anything natural, then in your makeup range, I am using the mascara, the it's a jet black powder which you can use for your eyebrows or eyeliner if you wet it down. If you've got a little brush to do an eyeliner, I actually use the same brush as my brows for my eyeliner when I do an eyeliner, and I've got so much, it lasts so long. So if you're into makeup and you like natural mineral makeup, then Young Living is having an amazing sale right now. So if you want to jump online and get anything, you can definitely just go and make yourself either a retail or a wholesale account, because if you decide you want to just get those for now, as long as you've got an account, you can reorder whenever you like if you don't want to worry about all of the ordering monthly stuff. But if you want to order monthly, then there's obviously great loyalty promos and points that you can collect towards free product, and it's a great way to you know, start small and grow your collection of all your natural products around your home. So if you need any information on how to do that, I'm happy to help. I have got all my contact details in the description below, and or if you're savvy yourself, you can click on a link and work your way through yourself and enjoy the process and have fun, and yeah, enjoy the oils or the products that you decide that you might like. And yeah, I would love for you to join my team, of course. I have a beautiful team of women who are of all different walks of life, and most of them are looking for natural solutions for them and their families, and because they have such big hearts for the environment and their environment and all of our collective environment. It's in their nature to want to look after and care for the environment and themselves. So I love the community that's existing in my team, and the growth that happens there is just phenomenal and such a beautiful thing to watch and also be part of. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do that if you would like to see more videos. And I should have another video coming up relatively shortly, and I'm going to go back and fix all those other videos. So watch this space. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye for now.